So they said wait, so I have to go fast. Dad is all the way there. Y'all are just close. Ooh, this is for males. I don't know what the man for a girl. That's for me, I think. Okay, so, okay, the shirt. Let's give it. Oh, don't see that. Don't see that. Don't see that. You can see this. Oh shoot. Don't see that. Okay. Now I know where my sister at. These are whatever calls. Okay. Some people are around me and I'm not really scared. That is right there. And we about to pay. Okay, I'm gonna walk a little bit fast because I'm my sister. Where we go here? Oh, this way. I don't know where we're supposed to go. I don't really know if my hair was there or not. So, it's kind of cute. Use some jewelry. See the jewelry. See the earrings. Those, see the. Oh my God, going really fast. Like some Io's clothes. No, I don't know. That one. Clothes. I don't really see my. Can you come into the bathroom? I'm making a video right
Okay,
now.
just please come.
Tell Kid to come with you. I'm gonna get a video.
He's a boy. That's
Oh.
just so
That part
fun.
there is more so for muscle pulls. And so while it does numb the pain and you know that site or location, it may not offer that same type of benefit.
I'm getting this. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. My heart rest of the okay. The sparkling. And the unit. Sean. I love talking. They got the ranch talkie. It's not really spicy. Not spicy. Come on, Daddy.
Want Dad to come down.
Dad.
To try to get the difference, I didn't want to get both. To try to get the difference.
Bye, guys.
$18.49. Yes. You want both of them? This one is $10.
I wanted the $10
So you don't want the sparkle?
No, I didn't know how much it was.
This one cost $10.
$70.
So, Nana, get Daddy all day. What is that? That's toilet water?
Dad, they give him $10.
He said ask your customer. Okay, Bella, $10.70.
Thank you. You need
$11.
I get $11. Get some quarters. Let her count this. This is not money.
Let it go. Give it to her. Give it to her.
Come on, give me the rest. Come on.
3, 4.
Sorry. Y'all not give it away. Oh. $1 more. Good.
Where is that?